I'm Debra Borchardt, and this is your Marijuana Money Minute. A lot of acquisitions to talk about this week. Cannabis Wheaton acquired DoseCann in an all-stock deal that's valued at roughly $38 million. The deal is expected to close on or about April 30th. Then we heard from Open Source Health. This is a women's tech company out of Canada. They're acquiring their first cannabis company, and it's a private company called Weekend Unlimited. And then High Times said that it has acquired Green Rush Daily. Now, it originally said it had done this back in August of 2017 in the company's preliminary prospectus. It's an all-stock deal, and the founder, Scott McGovern, was named the executive vice president over at High Times. We have a lot of earnings to go over this week. Canna Royalties said that their revenues increased to 3 million Canadian dollars over last year's revenues, which were only 642,000. Their losses also went up. The losses were 9 million versus last year's 10.3 million. And you have to keep in mind they're comparing 12 months of 2017 to 9 months in 2016. Massachusetts-based MaryMed also reported that their annual earnings went up, the revenues went up 70% to $6.11 million. Their losses also went up to $1 million over the previous year's earnings of $321,000. Emerald Health reported that their revenue for the full year increased 270%, but yes, their losses also went up from 2.9 million Canadian dollars to 8.7 million Canadian dollars. And then finally, Solis Tek, they reported that their revenue increased 5% to $8.98 million. Yes, their losses were also higher. They were at 14 million versus the previous year's loss of $538,000. So you're seeing a trend here in these companies. And then finally, cannabis company Massroots said that they are confirming that they will only list licensed dispensaries in California. They're not doing what Weedmaps is doing. They are going to be launching a new updated version of their business portal and dispensary finder. And if you want to be on that finder, it's going to cost you $199 a month. And that's it for this week. I'm Debra Borchardt reporting for the Green Market Report. Everyone, have a great weekend.